For today's session, we're going to explore how to create your December campaigns. We're going to review best practices, mistakes to avoid, and how the best companies are actually planning their December campaigns. So here are all the campaigns that we're going to review, the channels and the advices and the best practices that we'll see here. First of all, here's what you should do today when you're planning your campaigns. The very first thing is to plan ahead. You can't expect December to work out the way you think it's going to work out. I hope the best for you, but you should plan ahead the campaigns that you're going to run during December because it's rush hour. Second, check what your competitors have been doing during the previous years, what they've been doing last December, and maybe even the December the year before. That's super important because it will give you tips and it will give you a good understanding of what your audience is seeing during this period of time. So you can actually adjust your own marketing strategy as well, based not only on what your competitors are doing, so maybe what's working for them, but also what your audience is seeing and reacting to. Identify your relevant products. Of course, winter is a very specific time. Maybe not your whole product range is relevant for this season. So make sure to put forward the right products, the right offers as well. And then make sure that you plan your campaigns on different channels. Do not only plan December campaigns only for emails, only for ads, or only on your website, but make sure to create a mix and something coherent, because this is the way where you are going to be able to drive more results. As for the example, today we're going to review a lot of different possibilities. Here, here's what we're going to review: Cyber Monday, Winter Solstice, those ones on those channels, and there as well. I'm going to do this as well today on Panoramata. On our blog, you already have several blog posts that are available here and there that we've just updated a few weeks ago. And those blog posts already for free give you good ideas and examples here right away. Here we go for December. Basically, Cyber Monday, you also have a Green Monday as well. That's the second Monday of December. There are other big moments as well. We're going to deep dive and check for more examples as well, but those are the main events that you should plan for. Hanukkah, Winter Solstice as well. You have a few, for each one of them, you have a few examples. We're going to gather much more together today during this session. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and of course, New Year's Eve as well. So you have these for December overall. Of course, Christmas is one of the most important moments of the whole month. This is why, even for Christmas itself, there are different ways you could use Christmas in your marketing campaigns. So the first one is making sure that you can create an advent calendar even before. That could start actually in November. Make sure if you still have some left, it's probably the last time you're going to be able to use it. So discount them heavily just before December starts. Of course, send a greeting card. This is a great way to create a relationship with your audience. This one for me is one of the most important, and we're going to spend hours together reviewing this, but this is a gift guide. This is the most important thing that you should do for Christmas, because this is the way people are shopping. This is the way people are buying stuff. It's a gift guide. Then unique offers and discount we've got. And of course, the procrastinators are a perfect audience to target in emails and in ads as well, because those are the person for which the last minute emails are going to work and perform best. The gift of perfect timing. We'll see more examples like this, but free shipping today only. Order now for guaranteed September 24 delivery. This is maybe the most important advice that you should keep for every single of your December campaign. Highlight your cutoff. Say very clearly to your audience pretty much everywhere when is the limit to order before Christmas, what's the day, what's the hour, how many days are left before they're 100% guaranteed to receive their order just before Christmas. Be very specific about this, because this can break a campaign right away. If you're clear, you say, okay, we're delivering in 3 days. So in order to receive your order before December 24 or December 23rd, you should order before the 18th, the 19th, the 20th. Just be very specific on the date and the hour, and this will just rise your sales right away. All right, so you have those 2 blog posts available for free on our blog right away. You can go ahead and check them out. Together, we're going to spend a bit more time reviewing those 5 main moments right away. So Cyber Monday, this is obviously something that you know of, that you should prep way before. It could be in November, it could be December. Right now I'm speaking, it's November 5, 2025. Cyber Monday this year is going to be December 2nd. That's why I'm highlighting this here. I'm going to say it like this. Cyber Monday is your best chance to take advantage of the people who you yet have to convert after Black Friday. Just make sure to create not only a big promotion, which you could do, of course, but also create a regular offer that is either a bit different than what you did for Black Friday as well. I kind of like those kind of offers here. For Black Friday, for instance, you can go very high up in the discounts that you're making. Cyber Monday and the rest, and it's going to be the same for Christmas and the others. You can, of course, add more discounts. You can also try to create different kind of offers, bundles, other proposition values, or other stuff that could make people buy and purchase from your store. If they didn't took advantage yet of the big discounts, there might be something else. So all here we have dozens and dozens of Cyber Monday example. You can see that the average is going to be between 25 and 30% deals on average there. But again, make it about the holidays, make it about December, make it about the gifting already that are the most popular for this time of the year, where you can actually show people the amount of the discounts that you're making and how to use your website at the same time. Winter solstice is one of the campaigns that I like the most because it's not done a lot by potentially the companies in your market, where it's something that speaks a lot to your audience. Basically, the winter solstice is, all right, great. We have a description here, December 21 or 22, and it's basically the shortest day of the year. For the Northern Hemisphere, again, December 21 or 22. And this is a great way for you to highlight, and for me, it's even the beginning of the winter sale could happen there. So it's not really the case because you still have Christmas, and Christmas is a big period. But at the same time, when you go to the winter solstice, you're just between the end of your Christmas cutoff, because your Christmas campaign should have ended because you're unlikely to be able to deliver product in time for Christmas. But you're before the Christmas Eve as well. So it's a nice way to, and for me, one of the perfect email that you could send here is this one. So this is by Happy Mammoth, but it's the same for Josie Marin here. For me, those are the best kind of emails that you can send here. It's about the winter wellness ritual. So here you have an offer, but this is really this kind of email, this kind of campaign that you can create here, saying, okay, actually winter is here. And winter is not only coming, but winter is really here. And it's a great way to do a sale and also to highlight how people could use your product for you to create an offer specifically around winter and how to take care of yourself or take care of your close ones. Anyhow, how to use what you're selling for winter. And it's a good date, good reminder to organize a sale. Then again, across the whole month of December, but also January and February, but you can start it in December. It's the winter season, of course. So there are plenty of ways for you to organize a winter sale. You can see that you're going to be able to plan this when you like. Between Christmas and New Year's Eve is sometimes a good way to organize this. You can see that all those brands are doing exactly this. So you organize your winter sale by December 26 here. We had December 27 there, 27 there as well. So really between Christmas and the New Year's Eve, you were able to kick off the first winter sale right away. And again, here we have dozens of example. Layering is a specific fashion guide that you can create for winter as well. And again, this is a big moment of purchase for your audience and something that you should take advantage of 100%. Christmas, of course, again, for Christmas, there are two things: the last minute purchaser, the procrastinators, as we've seen together, and the gift guide as well. The sale and the other, those are classic, but the very two most important things are target the procrastinators, making sure that you allow people to buy last minute gifts. You highlight your cutoff as well. You promote a gift guide, making sure that you explain to your audience how your products can make great gifts. And of course, you can wish a Merry Christmas to your audience as well. So this is a gift guide just right here from 4 years ago. We have the most recent examples at the end of this list, but here you have a gift guide. Here you have, of course, a gift card. This is even better for the procrastinators because those are the real last minute gift that you can send December 24. So 24, mark this down, is for the gift guide. So we have December 2nd, September 21, solstice, we have 7, winter sales, gift cards. And here you'll see available on the platform, you're going to be able to have dozens and dozens, almost hundreds of examples for Christmas as well, with all kind of angles, all kind of offers, all kind of emails as well that you can use as inspiration as well. More than 200 examples, maybe email ads and landing pages here all in one place. I'm going to make sure to link this in the comment as well. You can just sign up on Panoramata. You will get those examples available for free as well. Just sign up on the platform and it's going to be here. All right, wonderful. Let's go here. Hanukkah. Again, here you have dozens of examples for Hanukkah as well, or available within the platform. Again, this is pretty important too. In 2025, Hanukkah is going to start December 14. And of course, the two here are across the whole month. Hanukkah, New Year's Eve, and this is exactly what those brands are doing as well, helping you, making sure that you can have the best look as well. So there's the wishes, there's also December 28th, prep too. And again, you can see dozens of examples here as well. Wonderful. New Year, New Me, that's more of a New Year wishes here as well. I'm going to keep it like this. That's really pretty much it. This one falls into the New Year wishes as well. But again, you can, on the platform for free, get dozens of examples right away as well. All right, so we've seen here already a lot of examples for all those periods. We've gathered exactly this already. Here we have a very strong, a very powerful content calendar for December as well. Last thing I wanted to highlight is actually related to the very thing that we've seen together here and there. It's to be able to check your competitors. And for this, you have no better way to just go on panoramata.co, pick all the competitors you want to track. You want to see exactly what they've been doing during the previous years, so it can actually inform your own marketing strategy for December. On the platform, you are able, for all of these companies, have access to their exact data and what they were doing at the time. Emails, straightforward, you get access to all the emails they've been sending right away. You can use a date range. We can check what they've been doing for December last year or the day before. It doesn't really matter. I can search here and see this right away. So I can study, understand what they've been doing. Did they did that kind of offer or something a bit different? So on the email, pretty much the same thing on the ads as well, and it's going to work well. And the same way, I can go here, type December 23 or 24, and see exactly which ads Nike did during that time. And I'm going to get the answer right away as well. On Meta, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube as well, I'm going to be able to get all those right away too. So here I'm filtering on Meta specifically. So you can check the ads, you can check the calendar. Of course, this is even better because here I can just go here, December 2024, and for all of those companies, I can just ask the platform to help me summarize what they've been up to at that period of the year, and the platform is going to create the summary for me right away. So I know exactly which kind of offers they've done. I'm going to go here, ask the same thing for, this is liquid IV. Again, I have the focus, I have the offers, I have pretty much everything here as well. We've seen the emails, we've seen the ads, we've seen a lot of emails and the ads during this session. Just wanted to highlight as well quickly the website. Again, if you're wondering what Liquid IV, Ana Luisa, or even Nike website looked like during all the changes. So here we have Nike 4 years ago. Here was December 4 years ago versus December 3 years ago as well. And you can do those before after to see really what they've been changing over time. You can see this last minute gift, digital card, order by delivery for, so you see the cutoff, exactly what we were discussing before. And you can again go back in time and see, okay, but 3 years ago, but 2 years ago, and really see how they've been changing this over time. All right, hope it was clear. Head up in the comments to sign up on Panoramata. You'll get every single list that I've been sharing today for free, so you can have all the examples to build this perfect content calendar for you right away. I'm going to pass it in the comments as well. Take care. Have an amazing day.